Hey friends, Matt Johnston here, and we are going to be talking about a super important topic today, and that is the difference between your product and your offer. People always think that they're the same thing, so they go out there in their marketing and they talk about their product, about their deliverable, and then they wonder why nobody buys anything from them or why nobody becomes a lead. That's just not how it works. So I'm going to break it down today and tell you exactly how to develop the perfect offer for your business that's repeatable, scalable, and that can make you tons of money over time if you can get this dialed in and validated with your target audience. All right, so let's jump right into this. Okay, so let's get clear on what we're talking about here. On one side, we have the product, and on the other side, we have the offer, okay? Now, as I said, a lot of people take what they sell. So let's say that you run a video business, you make videos for clients, that is your product. So it's your deliverable. So your deliverable is that you make videos for clients. So if they buy your services, that's what they're going to get. But your deliverable is not your offer. And that's the problem that we run into. So for example, you run a video business and most of your marketing and sales conversations are, we make videos for clients, or we make videos for clients that will help them get more attention or something like that. Then you're focusing on the deliverable, you're not actually making an offer. So every business, regardless of what it is, e-commerce, lead generation, whatever it might be, needs to be focused on having an actual offer, right? And that is not the same as what you do. In fact, what the offer actually is linked to is the outcome that your deliverable provides. Okay, so we have the product is the deliverable, and then the offer is the outcome that your deliverable provides, and it's framed as a solution to your customer's pain point, okay? So these are very different things. And that's the big problem that we have, because most people set out to start a business, and what they do is they develop a product. This is the product that I'm going to sell. This is what I'm going to deliver to clients when I create this business, or this is what I'm going to deliver to customers when they buy my product online. But that is not an offer because it doesn't have the outcome baked into it. What will this deliverable do for me, for my business, for my life? How will it change my day-to-day? And how is it unique? All of those things go into making an offer. So let's take an example. So we have the Peak Video Creators program. It's my coaching program where I help video creators, filmmakers get to 10K per month plus building video marketing businesses. And in the PVC, everyone is selling video. So let's just take them as an example. But if you run an e-commerce store, it's your product, your physical product that you sell. If you are a lawyer or some other service provider, it's similar. You get leads into your business and then you give them a specific service. But let's just take my PVC students. So it's a video business. So their ultimate deliverable, now let's just say video business. So the deliverable here is video content. So when a lot of video businesses start marketing, they start talking about how important video is now, and wouldn't you like an amazing, beautiful, gorgeous video, and here's other stuff that I've done, and all those types of things. But those are not an offer. They don't move mountains. They don't move anything. No one can really get emotionally attached to a deliverable. What they get emotionally attached to is the outcome. So what's the target avatar? Let's say that it's a small to medium size business that's running a lot of ads, and we're gonna make video ads for them. So our deliverable is video ads, but the offer is not necessarily video ads. Could be tied into it, but that's not the offer. So the first thing that we start with when we're trying to figure out how to develop this offer is that we start with the customer pain point. And these pain points might be something like, for example, stressed, overworked, lack of sales, lack of scalability. Can't scale, right? So these are the business's problems. Not necessarily just their problems that revolve around video, the problems that are just around your deliverable. That's not what we're talking about here. We need to create a customer-centric marketing approach, not a product-centric marketing approach. It's all about the market. It's all about the avatar, not about what you sell. Because ultimately, you're a solution to a problem as a business. So what's the desired outcome of working together if we were to work with them? Don't even think about the product yet. Don't even think about the product, the deliverable. It's not about the deliverable. What is the desired outcome? Well, the desired outcome is an automated, predictable, scalable profit generator. And based on your target avatar, you probably want to use specifics here. So if the target avatar is generally trying to get from $20,000 a month to $100,000 a month, and they have no idea how to get there, the outcome that you want to have here is automated, predictable, scalable profit generator to scale to 100K per month and beyond. That is what they want. That's what your avatar wants, right? Sell people what they want and then deliver what they need. So only now can we go back and link the deliverable to this, because it's the solution. So we have our avatar pain points. We have our outcome that we have their... So we have our avatar pain points. We have the desired outcome based on those pain points. And now we have the solution that is provided, which is video ad content proven to scale businesses to six-figure months. Okay, so if that's our solution right there, we're starting to get closer to an offer. Now there's one more super important piece that we need to have in here, so that it's very, very clear why it's an offer. And you might say, oh, my videos don't do that inherently. Well, that's okay. It's not like you're selling something unethical. Of course, then you'll have to advise them on, listen, like obviously people need to see this video, so you're going to have to develop an ad strategy, and then you can decide within your business how you fulfill that. But you cannot fulfill it without the video creative. The video creative is that powerful. But then there's one more secret ingredient that you've got to add to this to make it a truly great offer. You kind of have 70% of an offer here. You're almost there. Automated, predictable, scalable profit generators to scale people to 100K plus per month. That's an offer. However, it's a little bit half-baked or 70% baked because it's missing the secret ingredient. And that is what I call the competition buster. When I'm talking about that, I'm talking about the fact that there are a lot of offers out there. There are a lot of competitors. There's a lot of people likely selling exactly what you're selling. The competition buster helps you get past everybody else who's talking about this outcome, and everybody else who is talking about this deliverable and they're not making an offer. It just seems like there's a lot of people that are trying to sell the same thing. So in order to have a competition buster, you need a very specific angle, which is going to make this a no-brainer for the potential customer to become a lead or to become a sale. And here are the main pieces that you need for a competition buster. One, the biggest one is risk reversal. Ultimately, one of the biggest reasons that people buy is because they're just worried about quality. They just don't know if they're going to get ROI, if it's business to business. They don't know if they're going to get what they paid for, if it's e-commerce, because there's so much garbage out on the market. So having some form of risk reversal in there is crucial to making an offer. So a weaker offer, but still risk reversal and still definitely worth testing if you're in the e-commerce realm, might be something like 30-day money-back guarantee, something like that. That is a form of risk reversal. The other X factor, and there are many X factors that could go under competition busters, but the other X factor that you can have in here is obviously things like discounts. Now this is more for e-commerce than lead generation, so it wouldn't be for this video business. And bundles. Less sexy than risk reversal though. Less attractive than risk reversal though. Risk reversal is the most important thing out there because it counters one of the main objections that people have. They're just nervous about what they're gonna get. So discounts and bundles. And then the other thing is, and this is great for info businesses, agencies, video business, all this type of stuff, is that you have systems. Systems that people follow. We have gotten results using this very specific methodology for creating video ads that has proven to get desired outcome over and over again. Boom, system. because people feel like they're more behind something. And then, depending on what funnel you use, you may be able to lead them into some sort of webinar or video sales letter if you choose to do that. Or you could just go the risk reversal route. And then also I'll put scarcity down here. You know, I'm looking for just a few people to work with me, or we have a few more spots left, or while supplies last, and stuff like that. I mean, you'll have to see how your target audience reacts to these things. You have to test these. That's the thing about offers. It's not like you come up with one day and you're like, this is our offer, let's go. Okay, if it doesn't work, this business is going down. That's not the case, right? You can test all of this stuff. That's a great thing about ads. You can just sort of run ads and say, let's try this offer, against this offer, against this offer, against this offer, and see what happens. So that's it. That's all there is to it. If you got value, please like this video. When you like this video and you smash that like thumbsy uppy thing, it tells other people, hey, you should watch this video, because you might make more money with it too. Anyway, it's enough for oh, and subscribe. Oh, I love having new subscribers. I'll tell you, every time that I get a new subscriber, I get a little email, and it just makes me feel good every time. So, yeah, but listen, like, let me be clear. You're not subscribing for me. You're subscribing for you, because that's what I'm here to do, to give you valuable information. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.